Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Spotify account. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to go to the Spotify app on your phone. And now tap the three slash button near your profile and tap on account. And in this page you have to scroll it down to the bottom, and when you see the support option under useful links section, you have to tap on it. And now in this page you have to go to account help, tap on it and it will be a pop-up. Tap on account settings, and if you're sure you want to delete your account, tap on closing your account. And in this page you have to scroll it down under the don't have premium. There are close your account with underline. You have to tap on it. Click on the close account button that appears on the right. And now click on continue in the bottom if the account shown on the screen is yours. I'm gonna tap it right now. And Spotify will ask you what you need to know: that your saved music, podcast and playlist, your followers and your username cannot be used again with Spotify. If you agree, you have to tap on I understand until in the square there are a checklist. And now tap continue. And you have to check your email to close your account first. And I'm go to my Gmail here. And there are a Gmail from Spotify. I'm gonna tap it right now. Just tap on close my account button if you're sure you wanna close your account. Wait for a minute. This is processing. And yeah, all done. Your account is now closed. You can create a new one here, and there are also a note: if you want to use the same Gmail address, you need to wait 14 days. So yeah guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.